Every morning is a fresh start. Let go of yesterday's mistakes and focus on today's opportunity. With this beautiful thought today, we have start here question number 6 of DAV Maths class 8, chapter number 4, worksheet 1, and our chapter name is direct and inverse variation. So here, this is our question number 6. If 12 women can weave 15 meters of a cloth in a day, how many meters of cloth can be woven by 20 women in a day? In this question, 12 women can weave 15 meters of a cloth in a single day, means in a day. In this question, we have to find that the cloth woven by 20 women in a day. So firstly, I make here table for this question. I write here number of women, and in next line I write here cloth and cloth in meter. So number of women are 12 and they weave 15 meter of cloth in a day. So I write in front of meter, I write here 15. Now here how many meters of cloth can woven by 20 women in a day? So here 20 women, I write 20 in front of the women. In this question we have to find the meter. How meter clothes woven by 20 women in a day? So I let this one is X. Let the cloth woven by 20 women in a day is X. Now we find here this question is a question of a direct variation or indirect variation. Here this 20 is greater than this 12. This 20 is greater than 12. Means here the quantity is increasing. So here this is increasing here. And the 12 women can weave 15 meter cloth. So the quantity, that is means 20 is greater than this 12. The number should be this is greater than this 15, because here this 20 is greater than this 12. Here quantity is increasing, then this is also increasing. So both quantities are increasing here. It means that this is a question of direct variation, or it is a case of, I write here, it is a case of direct variation. Now we know that the formula of direct variation, x upon y is equal to k, here constant. Now write on, these numbers are here. I write here 12 upon 15. This 12 upon 15 is equal to 20 upon x. Now I can do by cross multiply here. 12 multiply by x. 12 multiply by x is equal to this 15 multiply by 20 here. Now from here I find the value of this x. Here x is equal to 15 multiply by 20 upon, here x is in multiplication, then it becomes in division. Here I write here 12, 2 6 are 12, 2 10s are 20, 2 3s are 6, 2 5s are 10, 3 1s are 3 and 3 5s are 15. Now from here x is equal to this 5 multiply by this 5. 5 multiply by 5, x is equal to 25 meter is our answer. So here 25 meter cloth is woven by 20 women in a day. So I also write here x, this is equal to 25. So we find the value of this x. So it is the question number 6. So stay connected with us for more videos. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. That's all in today's video.